Hi, my name is Ziad Asghar. I lead Snapdragon Roadmap and Technologies. I'm going to talk through how we view Qualcomm AI technology and how we see it scaling from the cloud to the edge. As you can see, in all the devices that we have, and if we look through this virtual room, uh, we're all working on basically this vision where we are able to make the devices that we have in our hands, in our pockets, in our homes, on the roads, more and more intelligent. And really, what changes when we are able to do that is the change from the smartphone camera just being able to capture some pixels to the point where it's actually able to understand what those pixels mean. And I think that completely changes those use cases and those scenarios. The ideal place for AI to be done is the place where the data is created, which is on the device, and that is at the edge. And that really works from a privacy perspective. It works very well from performance perspective also, and latency perspective, because instead of the data having to be sent to the cloud and back, all of that processing can now happen on the device. What is changing though is we really see that the world is becoming or coming to a point of this new paradigm shift where with the 5G technology and its unbelievably fast speed and latency, you can actually bridge the gap between the cloud and the edge. And that processing that's not as latency sensitive can actually be done in the cloud because of this amazing 5G link that we have in between. But let's talk about how we are applying this technology to the edge. So at least the key segments where we see this happening is on the mobile, industrial IoT side, and auto. At least those are the key areas where we see this happening in a very, very big way. And it's really changing the experience in a very meaningful fashion.